you want to make really good mac and cheese? Check this out. I got this recipe from one of the women I follow on TikTok. Her name is Dale Serrano, and she just moved from New Jersey to Florida with her daughter and her 2 grandkids. This recipe came from a Mueller's pasta box, and I don't think that they include this recipe anymore, or at least Dale didn't. So I've got a screenshot of the recipe that she actually photographed and posted. So you add all the ingredients and get the cheese till it looks just like that. And then you add in your pasta and you stir it around and you put it in a baking dish and you throw it in the oven, 375 for a half hour. And when you pull it out, it smells so good and it tastes even better. The one problem is you want to dive right in and you're going to scald your tongue. That never feels good. Ouch. But this tasted fantastic. It's 8 ounces of cheese, a half a cup of milk, some cornstarch, salt, pepper, butter, mustard powder, pasta, paprika, and a bunch of love. Screenshots right here. Enjoy.